Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, July 22nd, 2022. It is 5:12 and 19 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, songbirds. So let's hop to it here. A songbird can keep time with the best of them. Date July 19th, 2022. Source, University of Texas at Austin. When it comes to keeping time, an assuring species of songbird is on a par with professional musicians, according to new research. The study is the first to investigate natural timekeeping ability of an animal in the wild rather than under observation in the laboratory. With scientists examining the song of the scaly-breasted wren, a small brown bird in Central and South America, known for its whistle-like chirps. The song of the wild birds demonstrated better timekeeping skills than those of mammals and birds trained in captivity. The results underscore the importance of studying animals in both the laboratory and in nature to get an accurate view of their abilities. And we should use the power of biodiversity to understand these things while we still can. The birds don't have songbooks, but some species sing the same tune, chirping notes in identifiable pattern. And for the scaly-breasted wren, the pattern goes like this: an opening blast of chirps, followed by alternating intervals of chirps and pauses, with the pauses between each chirp getting progressively longer. The pauses between each chirp grow in a predictable way, lengthening by about a half a second each time. After the pause reaches about 10 seconds long, the birds then repeat their song from the top. In laboratory experiments, most animals, including humans, have difficulty determining how much time has passed after just a second or two. In general, the longer an interval of time, the worse animals are at estimating its passage. But for the wild wrens, 43% of the songs, 10 out of 23 songs that met the requirements for evaluation, consistently kept time for the duration of the song, with the intervals holding the established pattern, even as the pauses increased in length. For two of those songs, the accuracy of the wren was higher than that of the average professional musician. However, some of the songs had different outcomes. One became less precise over time, following the trend observed in most laboratory experiments. The less than perfect performances could come down to a pattern of practice, with wrens learning to sing in part by mimicking more experienced birds. The research raises questions about how timing might play into the mating display of wrens. If females are especially interested in a male's ability not just to produce the right notes, but also the timing of their production, then the pressure is on. The research demonstrates the importance of turning to nature to study birds in their natural environments. We take wild birds for granted, and natural populations are dwindling. So this is urgent. This case shows how studying birds can provide huge new insights into cognition and timekeeping. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.